Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's play a normal mainline instead of a Smith-Morra, just for a little bit of a change. Maybe, whoa, okay, maybe a quick, I wonder a quick G4, yeah, shock value. We take, okay. This pawn's potentially weak. Oh, trying to circle it. It's potentially weak. He's not going to do e5. I think queen e3 just protecting the pawn. Can I do f4 here? Or just castle? Lovely. You just, you know, H pawn attack. Yes, pressure mounting up. If I ignore that for a moment. F4, knight c6. Let's see, is he moving with this? Maybe rook h3 is useful defensively. Knight c6. Need a move there after knight c6. Or knight d7. It's going to keep this idea of rook takes c3. Right, so queen. Exchange of queens? I've just got an advantage here if I just exchange of queens. Bishop a2. Hg. I'm just wondering about this h file. Let's have a go with that. Does he actually move his queen? I'm just wondering about the h file. If I lose a2, can I just double rooks after? Like rook h4, maybe. Maybe c3 is needed. Stop knight b4s. Oh, there's bishop b3. Maybe just like pawn sack as knight c3. So rook h4, bishop a2, knight c3 if needed. If knight b4, knight c3. But I'm just going to double there and see where that gets me. Rook h4. Or rook h3. No, rook h3 is the target. Rook h4 or rook h2. This one. Knight a2, king b1. Oh, he's got bishop b3 now. That'd be annoying. Bishop b3. Okay, this one for rook a1. This is getting tricky. I am a pawn down now. Rook a1. This hasn't worked out. Oh yeah. Yeah, so much for doubling on the h file. It hasn't really worked out. This position, I don't know. He's got knight c2. It gets worse. Muppets. Okay, can I actually play bishop d1? Is that getting a knight back? Bishop d1. It's crazy, but maybe it's possible to get the piece back. Without losing an exchange. Go back to this dream of the doubling of on the HR, the distant dream over here. Naughty idea. Trap the knight. Ah. Oh dear. Knight f3, but at least it's a light square bishop. I have another idea. Rook g3 takes and bishop h5. Oh dear. Okay, it's a light square bishop at least. It's not as big deal as
check.
As before, maybe in some respects. f5. It is pretty bad. Maybe I can coordinate on f7.
Check.
In my dreams, coordinate on f7. Bishop b3, fg. He's ruining my dreams, this guy, for the position all the time. But okay, will I get in fg or f6? Rook f8, f6. Is there any little hope here with this light square bishop? Well, that's something he's given me, isn't it? Oh. Okay, so rook f7 doesn't seem to be... Oh, there's bishop e6 after. He's giving me something
check.
Here. Let's put this bishop back. That's not so bad. I've got
check.
Clock advantage here. Oh no.
Check.
Ah. Yeah, it's pretty bad. He's winning the rook. It's pretty brutal.
Check.
Oh dear. Out tactics. Okay. Yeah, completely. It's the first game of the morning. This one. Let's have a quick look. Anyway. Yeah, maybe this was slightly weakening. He did seem to have a scary position around here anyway. Or queen a5. Although, yeah, it's giving an advantage for white. Yeah, it's a bit poxy that move in, isn't it? Queen e3, yes. Why not just go for the h file? What's I thinking? Not here though. Bishop's on there. But f5 and queen h3? That doesn't seem too clever. Okay, what I played. I ran into all sorts of trouble. Don't do this. This is just weakening. My queen turn is too. Yeah. C takes b4 might have been better. Yeah, I thought I was escaping here, but maybe c takes d4 just to be a pawn down. It's miserable though, isn't it?
Check.
Then I hoped the bishop would do something, and then that was all the dreams ruined. This position didn't seem immediately terrible, but got to be careful where I put the bishop. Oh dear, bishop c4, maybe in the light of the check. The king's a bit carnivorous here. Another blunder. Seals the deal. Oh dear.
Check. Check.
Yeah. Ouch. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.